overnight stay for a couple.
Good morning,
at
guys.
Boston Marina
So as
Beach
usual,
Resort.
dito na naman ako sa Azuela
For the
Cove
big red
for
letter
the
J,
Lamdagan
which
Run
is
2025.
and coming
So it's Run for Love
5 days from now.
2025. And Lamdagan. Lamdagan.
We're still taking you back in
For
time
love.
as we bring you
Konti lang kami, guys. Siguro 1,000 lang kami na participants or wala pa talaga. So there are 3 categories. Merong 10, may 5 at saka may 3. Yung 3 kilometers green, yung blue 5 kilometers, tsaka yung red 10 kilometers. As you can see, 10. Yeah. 5 ano pa? 5 AM pa ang gun start ng 10 kilometers, and then after 30 minutes susunod naman yung 5, and then after 10 minutes from the 5 kilometers yung 3 naman. So kasi konti lang participants, and then 3 lang ang categories. Kasi pag mas maraming categories, mas maaga. Kasi for example, mayroong 42, mayroong 21, mas maaga talaga nasisimula because of the cut-off time. Saka dapat hindi umabot ng medyo tanghali na kasi mainit na yon. As usual, may Fit Bar, may Pocari Sweat. Yan naman lagi ang sponsor. Kung makita nyo, konti lang talaga. Halos wala. O, diba? Di para sa mga event na sinasalihan ko before, sobrang dami namin. Ngayon, konti lang because this is a run for a cause. Update ko kayo later kasi baka malobat tayo.
3, 2, overhead. Down. Up. 3, 2, drop your shoulder. 4, 1, 2, 3, again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, drop. It is 5 to go before 5 in the morning. More minutes before we take you off. Respect the environment, guys. You guys excited?
Video na.
Mukhang kulang.
Chill lang. Gano'n.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Let's count them all together. 11, 10,
Oh, grabe guys, may elevation, no? Paakyat. 5 kilometers. Actually, 4.5. 0.5 para mag 5. Paakyat, oh. Grabe na to. Kaya to. Let's go. This is my fastest run so far, guys. It's 9 kilometers and I ran 49 minutes. Imagine, 9 kilometers, 49 minutes. Abot to sa buwan. Let's go. 1 kilometer na lang. Lagpas 10.5, guys. Ito na tayo. 10.47 kilometers. 57 minutes. Thank you. Thank you. Yung 10 kilometers ko, 55 minutes. Sabi ko babawi ako, 'di ba? Bawing-bawi. We are 7 minutes faster today. Haha. Hindi ganun kaganda ang medal, pero it's okay because this is a run for a cause. So naka-acrylic sila. And sa likod nakalagay ang sticker. 10 kilometers. Grabe. Kapegil. Ay, ito daw kung awa. Uwi na tayo guys, kasi hindi naman tayo swerte sa sa raffle. Para hindi magkagulo sa magkagulo mamaya kasi nagtataksi lang tayo pa uwi. Yung kasama ko kanina sa video, yung before pa mag-start, junior consultant namin sa dialysis. Si Doc Ian. Family yata si Doc Ian family medicine. May sarili din siyang clinic. Yan. Bait yun, super. As in, bilis lapitan. Tsaka talaga yun, runner talaga, nagpo-podium talaga yun. Kaya lang, syempre, hindi na siya masyado nag-run ngayon, kaya, pero at least, grabe, nakaabot pa rin siya ng top 10, imagine that. Ang bilis tumakbo, grabe, 47 minutes ang niya, ang 10 kilometers. Ang pinakamabilis kong 10 kilometers when I was 25 years old. Yun, 45 minutes. Ngayon wala na, 55 na lang. 55 na lang, grabe. So mabagal na tayong tumakbo. But it's okay. At least, sa buwan pa rin tayo, less than 1 hour. Yun naman ang goal natin, kahit 59.59 pa yan. Basta hindi siya umabot ng 1 hour. Ito ang fastest ko so far this year. So, at least naka 55 minutes ako. 55.0 something. Hindi ko na matandaan. Basta I posted it on my Facebook account. Ayun. So, uwi na tayo. Di ko na antayin yung program na matapos. Again, hindi ako swerte sa mga bunot-bunot. Yan, kung masiswertehan man ako, gift check lang na worth 500 pesos. Ganon. Pero, yan, ayoko ng kasi mainit na It's already 7:05 in the morning and the sun is too high na. Medyo mainit na siya. And then I need to rest for a bit. And then maglalaba ako ng uniform ko. Pasok ko bukas is at 11 noon pa. So I still have time, ample time to rest. But later this afternoon I'll be having my examination sa NYC. Meron silang update examination na binigay sa amin that we have to accomplish before April 1st. So since I have time today, I'll take the examination later on. It's good for 2 hours. So siguro kaya naman. And I hope na hindi ako magka-trouble sa internet connection and sa yun sa paglo-load ng examination. Yan. Kasi yung kasama ko nahirapan siya sa pag-load ng exam. Anyways, let's go home. Grabe yung taas na ng sikat ng araw, no? Imagine that, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. Kanina pa to siya takbo ng takbo. Nakailang ikot na to siya, sister. Ayun, nakasabay ko pa yun. Tumatakbo, kita nyo. Sana yun, ayun o. Yun. Yan, tumatakbo. Nakailang ikot na siya. Dalawang ikot na. Grabe. 10 kilometer lang yung takbo, baka ginawa nyo namang 21. Dalawang 10. Grabe siya. Tanghali na super late na. Siguro na late siyang nagising, ganon. Kasi ang gun start is 5 o'clock in the morning. Usually kasi pag mga ganitong event, nagsisimula talaga ng alas 4 ng madaling araw. So, the event will end earlier. Hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya kasi 5 o'clock yung start ng run. So, ang cut-off time nila is 2 hours. So, 7 o'clock talaga matatapos. And 7 o'clock is mainit na. You know, Davao City is very mainit. So, yun. Take care guys. And thank you so much for all of you na nandyan pa rin sa aking YouTube channel. Hindi nawawala and continuous na nanonood sa mga pinopost ko. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Take care and until my next run. See you again. Bye bye.